If you want to install a new radio in the V class, first connect star diagnosis, read out the basic data for the old radio, and save the data. To access the radio, first use a removal hook to remove the air vent nozzle on the far right. Also remove the ventilation nozzle between the steering wheel and the radio display. The display comes next. Use the removal hook to remove the cover behind the display as well. There are two screws underneath it. These have to be removed. Carefully lay the display so it cannot fall down during the following work steps. Now it's time for the right decorative element. Remove one screw in each of the remaining openings for the air vents. Then unclip the decorative element and unplug the electrical connections behind it. The radio is secured with two screws and a lock. Loosen the screws and pull the lock forwards. Pull out the radio and disconnect all of the electrical connectors. After installing the new radio, remember to transfer the stored data and carry out the commissioning process.